The bilateral force deficit is a fact, like it's a well-documented phenomenon. It is not no like tiny speculative thing. Like these are two different studies right here. We see greater degrees of voluntary activation in single limb compared to when doing it bilaterally. Same thing here. We also see greater peripheral fatigue with unilateral exercises compared to bilateral exercises, and this tells us that we're able to tolerate more peripheral fatigue when we're using less muscle mass, like with a unilateral exercise. This is because since we're using less muscle mass and thus requires less space within our maximum tolerable perception of effort, we're able to handle more of that peripheral fatigue. Lastly, just physiologically based off of Marcora's psychobiological model fatigue, unilateral exercises have to have more motor recruitment than bilateral exercises because we have a maximum tolerable perception of effort, right? And let's say, for example, we're doing a bilateral exercise, and this is how much space that training one side takes, and this is how much space training the other side takes, okay? Because we have to recruit both sides when doing a bilateral exercise, obviously. Well, having to recruit both sides means that we're going to have less space in our maximum tolerable perception of effort to recruit each side, compared to if we just recruited one side and we're going to have more space in our maximum tolerable perception of effort to recruit that one side.